I'm recording a video as a bartender. I built my own bar called the Juice Bar, and then I have this weird looking thing just to get people's attention to come over here. So, yeah. I made it very, I don't know, it lights up a lot, I guess. I don't know. So, yeah. Oh, it's nighttime, that's nice. Wait, at spawn, okay. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty bright. You can't miss it. I bought a Deagle. I have a Deagle on an M1911. I accidentally bought the Deagle from somebody. Yeah. So, I don't... Oh, here's the alien again. He already bought like 5 of them. Wait, like what? Oh yeah, this, alien guy. I don't know, I like him. I don't... Oh! Okay, I didn't see that. So yeah, he's the guard of me, I guess. And then, I am me. Yeah. I'm gonna ask him... I'm gonna give him a shout out, cause why not? Gotta sit down again. Okay, I don't think there's anyone coming. Okay, so I'm gonna be typing a lot. Just people type in this game, because I haven't implemented voice chat. Okay, let's, so this, cool person, he declined it. Cool dude tiger. That's nice. Oh, that he doesn't want to juice. Okay then. Oh, you should follow what he said. He said, everybody sub to Sport Shot. I don't know what I'm talking about, but apparently he does. I'm gonna drink some of my own stock because I got enough money to cover it. So, yeah. Okay, that's nice. Oh yeah, sorry that I didn't record in like 10 days. I was doing like homework and stuff. I get a lot of that. So yeah, that's nice. Everyone sub to Sport Shot at YouTube and sub and like and turn on post notifications. Follow what this guy says. You know, he's literally Jesus. You know, follow that. Everyone sub to Sport Shot. I didn't know this, but apparently I'm big in this community. So, yeah. Because I've had, I don't know, maybe like 10 people today say, "Is that Sport Shot?" So yeah, that's nice. But my goal, I guess, is to stop playing Roblox and play either CSGO or War Thunder. but I'm probably still gonna do Electric State, because that's where like half my fan base is coming from. So I'm gonna keep playing this game, and then I'm gonna play like War Thunder and CS:GO. So yeah. Okay. I gotta buy this guy crate. Lux color, there we go. Purchase that. Okay, we're good. Okay, I'm gonna let him go get a loot crate. I already have how many M4s? Oh, I only have one? Oh. Oh yeah, I lost the other one like last month, I don't know. So that's nice. I sold 2 just then. I got another person coming up. Let's give him... Oh, he disabled sales. Okay. Oh, he asked me, do you know how to build a hashtag? I don't know what he's talking about. Billboard. Yes. It's in interactive. Is that it? Yeah, interactive. It's in interactive, yeah. Okay, I don't get how, or I don't get what this guy's question is. So, holy crap, I've been recording for 7 minutes and 48 seconds. I don't get how time flies that fast. I obviously can't speak English. So, what do I got? Deagle, I'm 19 on it. I am going to... Where's my bike keys? I'm just gonna go around and eat people. Let's see. Actions. Toggle PvP. Flagged up. Let's go. Let's go get some. Who's this? And that's copyrighted music. I should get out of here. Playing copyrighted music on the stereo, so I couldn't be there or else I'll get my channel freaking deleted. So that's decent. Oh wait, they're back. Okay. Okay, I got more people that need juice at the juice bar. Okay, somehow I've been recording for 9 minutes. It's been a pretty long time. What's this? Oh, more cola. Close that. Huh? Put fat. Oh, I get this. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna close up real quick. Okay, that's nice. Okay, this guy probably thinks that I'm literally God, but that's okay. don't get how this game works, and the fact that people will literally, I give up on saying what I was saying. Okay. There's nobody coming to the juice bar, so I'm gonna make the juice bar come to them. I'm just gonna... Okay. Yes, come over here. Gotta sell you some Bloxy Cola. Okay, now this game's... Oh, wait, no, okay, that's better. Probably... Oh, he actually bought it. That's nice. Here, box. Wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna stop recording maybe, like, right now. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share the video, tell your friends to watch the video, and force your whole classroom to subscribe if you're a teacher. That was sport shot, and we got another person that needs a cola. Okay, after I sell this person this cola, I'm literally gonna die. Are they gonna accept it? If they don't accept it, I'm gonna execute them. Okay, so this person didn't accept it. So yeah, that's nice. I have no idea what I'm trying to say. Get out of here with that. Okay. Okay, I'm actually gonna stop the recording, so yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share. I don't know, if you're a teacher, force your students to subscribe. If you know me in real life, then you'd get that joke.